with my cat, Meowy. Lucky got lost. I don't know where he is, but I have a new cat now. Bought him. I got him. I have a new cat now. I didn't like buying more. Yeah, okay. So, today we're going to talk about my friend Meowy. And it's Christmas, so I'm going to start wearing my Christmas hat in these videos that I'm going to do with Christmas. It's December, so. Sorry, I forgot to wear my Christmas hat yesterday. So, let's do this. So, Meowy. Oh my god. Just make him to look at you guys. Here he is. He's a really cute cat. Just to tell you, his name is Meowy. Yeah. Meowy Halota. Yeah, Meowy Halota. He always meows a lot. That's why we called him Meowy. Yeah. That's why we called him Meowy, because he meows a lot and stuff. I'll just show so you can see his whole body. He's probably, I think he's 2 years old. 2 years old. I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna show you. Yeah. Meow. Yeah. Now with a cat. He's gonna watch you guys there. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna get him to move, honey. He's just literally putting his back on that. So I need him to move, Happy. No. Wait a second, guys. Sorry. Okay. Okay, he can sit beside. Now we look at my friend. It's not Lucky the cat, my friend, anymore. It's Meowy the cat, my friend. So, guys, I'm doing the next video after this, but what? What should I do a video on? Comment down below what video should I do. I'll think about it. I'll work a video out. Okay, I think I have a video. Okay. Bye, guys. The next one, maybe we're gonna take a video of, do you know the destroying simulator in Roblox? Maybe we'll do that video after this video, maybe, if my mom lets me. So bye, guys. I'm just gonna show you Meowy once more. Here he is. He's the cutest cat ever.